Hello students, this is your K2B conversation class, okay? Today we're going to use this book and you need to use this one for your reading and also for exercise, okay? And one more, I want you to prepare your school materials like book, notebook, pencil or ruler. And be ready to listen and taking note, okay? Okay, today we're going to learn about Unit 10 that we will learn about farm animals and pets. Okay, so I want to remind you guys to pay more attention because these lessons will teach you many new words, okay, especially about keywords, about farm animals and about pets, about the animals that you feed at home, okay? And furthermore, in this unit we'll teach you how to ask simple questions, okay, how to ask simple questions about animals, about the name of animals, and about how many animals do you have, okay, about how to count your animals, okay? And this is a really important unit, so please be ready for the class, okay? So are you ready? Let's get started. Alright, before go to the lesson, I want to have a quick review about what you have learned last week. Okay, so what you have learned last week, you learned about fruits, right? Okay, so we review fruit first. Okay, so let's tell me. I showed you the picture and you tell me or read the word right here. So what fruit is this? This one is orange. Yes, this one is orange. Alright, and the second one is mango. Yes, so repeat after teacher. Mango. Again, mango. Yes, mango. Good. Okay, the next one is refer to a fruit that the color is yellow and smooth, okay? So can you guess what fruit? Yes, banana. So read together, banana. Yes, banana. Good. And the next one is rambutan. Read together, rambutan. Yes, rambutan. And one more refer to the fruit that is expensive. The color is red and sour and sweet. So can you guess what fruit? Yes, similar, but this one is strawberry. Read together, strawberry. Again please. Strawberry. Yes, strawberry. Nice. And one more word about fruit refer to a fruit that have many seeds. That one is, can you read this? Yes, papaya. Again, papaya. Yes, papaya. Okay. And one more is what's this? Dragon fruit. Yes, dragon fruit. Very good. One more refer to the fruit they have 100 eyes. Okay, so can you guess what fruit? Yes, that one is pineapple. Read again, pineapple. Yes, pineapple. Very good. The next one is the fruit that's similar to orange, but we call it is not orange, but it's similar. That one we call We call what? Yes, lemon. Yes, read together. Lemon. Lemon. Yes, very nice. Very nice. And the next one is yeah, that is a very nice one that we use as a drink. Okay, that one we call avocado. Repeat. Avocado. Again, avocado. Yes, yes. The next one, yep, this one I think delicious. The smell is so good. This one is longan. Longan. Read together. Longan. Yes. And for the last word of your review about fruit is the color is red. And the easy one that starts with letter A. It is, yes, apple. Again, apple. Okay, so that's it for review about fruits. Now we go to our important lessons about farm animals and pets. So read together. Farm animals, yes, and pets, farm animals and pets. Again. Yes, farm animals and pet. Okay, so now I will teach you some words about farm animals. So let's repeat the words after teacher. Okay, the first word is the big one, the big and strong. Okay, we call cow. Yeah, look so cute. So this one is cow. Read this one. Cow. Okay, so this one is cow. Yeah, the spelling start with letter C. C. Okay. C-O-W. C-O-W. That is cow. Cow. Yes. Very good. Okay, so cow is referred to the farm animal. Cow. Good. The next word is similar to a cow, but the horn here is longer and dangerous for people. Okay, the same cow. That is, yes, that is buffalo. Buffalo. So read this one. Buffalo. Again, buffalo. Again, buffalo. 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 Again, buffalo. Yes, buffalo. Good. Yes. Very nice. You did a great job. So this one is buffalo. The next one is you refer to the animal that runs very fast. Very fast. So what is it? Yes, that is horse. Read together. Horse. One more time. Horse. Yes, horse. Very great. Horse. Okay, that is horse. Refer to the animal that run very fast. The next one, the animal that sound ooh 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 like that. Okay, so that one is, yeah, that one is pig. Together, pig. One more time, pig. Yes, pig. They start with the spelling of pig. Yes, great. How smart you are. Okay, that you only hear the sound, you can answer my question. You are smart. Okay, so the next word refer to the animal that sound quack 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 like that. Quack quack. Or in Cambodia we call quack quack gap gap like that. So can you tell me what animal is it? It is, yes, it is dog. Dog. So read together. Dog. One more time. Dog. Yeah, dog. Very nice. Great. Okay, and the last word of farm animal is about, yeah, like the beard right here is long, okay, long like me, but now I shape it. That is called goat. Read together, goat. Again, goat. Very good. So that is a goat. Okay, so try to read about farms animal at home. Okay, now we go to the next one. We learn about pets. About pets. So read together, pets. Okay, pets. And today I will rest 4 pets for you. The first one is easy one, and I make it fast one. We call this one is dog. Dog. Yes, this one is dog. Good. Dog. And the second one is, look, meow, meow. That is cat. Read together, cat. How do you spell cat? C-A-T. Yeah, C-A-T. Cat. Okay, the next word is very cute. But in the story, we call very smart animal. Okay, in the story, this called rabbit. Do you love rabbit? Do you like rabbit? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Yeah, I love rabbit. So this one is rabbit. Read together, rabbit. Yes, rabbit. Good. Okay, and the last one of pet is about bird. Okay, read together, bird. Again, bird. Good, very good job. Yes, yes, very nice. Okay, so that's it for part 1 lesson about farm animals and pets. Okay, so I want you to try to read and make sure that you remember, you understand about these words, about farm animals and about pets. Like, read together, cow, buffalo, buffalo, horse, pig, duck, goat, pets, dog, cat, rabbit, bird. Okay, so try to read this at home before we continue to our conversation, okay, in part 2. So that's it for part 1. Don't forget to read your words. See you in the part 2 lessons. Good afternoon, students. So welcome to the second part of the lessons. Okay, so hope you practice your reading. Hope you read the vocabularies here. Hopefully you did it, okay? However, I want to review the keywords first to make sure that you understand this before go to our practice, our conversation, okay? So now we go together about farms animals. So read together, farm animals. Yeah. So can you tell me what animal is this? Cow. Yeah, it's a cow. Yes, cow. Nice. Okay, this one. Look, what animals is this? This is buffalo. Yes, buffalo. Nice. Great. Okay, the next one refer to the animal that can run very fast. Okay, that is horse. It is a horse. Horse. Yes. The next one refer to the big animal. Okay, it's not really big, but have a big belly because eat and sleep. Eat and sleep. They're called pig. Yes, pig. Yes. Yes, okay, pig. And the next one refer to the animal that sound gap gap. In Cambodia we call gap gap, like that. So it is duck. Okay, read together. Dog. Nice. Okay. And the last word of farm animals refer to the word. What animal is this? Goat. Yes, goat. Great. Okay, one more we're going to review about pets. Pets. So what pet is this? Dog. Yeah, dog. This one is cat. This one is rabbit. This one is bird. Okay, that's great. You really read at home. Okay, now it's time to practice our questions, our answer, and how to ask about animals. Okay. So look at number 1 over here and repeat and practice your reading and speaking together. Class, ready? What animal is this? Together. What animal? Again. What animal is this? Is this? Again. What animal is this? Wow. Together. What animal is this? Everyone? What animal is this? Okay. What animal is this? What animal is this? What animal is this? Again? Together? Yes. What animal is this? Nice. Okay. So when you ask somebody, you say about animal, you can say that, what animal is this? You don't know, okay? What animal is this? And then how you answer if somebody asks you? It's a. It's a. For example, here I will put or I will choose a pet here, right here. Okay, I will ask you. What animal is this? Or you think? It's a. It's a. It's a. What's this? A dog. Yes, it's a dog. So you complete the word dog. It's a dog. It's a dog. Again. When I want to ask you about this, but I don't know. What animal is this? It's a cat. It's a cat. Like this. Okay, one more is, I want to ask about this one. Okay, look. What animal is this? What animal is this? You answer. It's a buffalo. It's a buffalo. Yes. Okay, you understand? Yes. Good. Okay, and then go to number 2. Go to number 2. Okay, if I choose one more animal, I will choose. Yes, I will choose rabbit. Rabbit. Okay, rabbit right here. Okay, so I will ask you one more question about number 2. Repeat. Yes. Do you? Again. Do you? Like. Together. Do you like? Hey, again. Do you like? Yes. Rabbit, right? Rabbit. I will complete. Rabbit. Okay, rabbit. I will ask. Do you like rabbit? Do you like rabbit? Or if you love more than one, you can add S. Do you like rabbits? Again, 1, 2, 3. Do you like rabbits? Yeah, do you like rabbit? So if you like, you can say yes. I do. Yes, I do. Again. Do you like rabbits? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Okay? But if you don't like, you say, no, 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 I don't like. You can say, again, do you like rabbits? You answer, no, I don't. No, I don't. Okay? If you like, yes, I do. But if you don't like, no, I don't. Understand? Yes. Okay, so now let's start. When I ask you, do you like pig? Do you like pig? Do you like pig? You answer, no, I don't. The pig is bigger, okay? And then one more. Do you like bird? Yes, I do. Do you understand? Yes, good. Okay, now we go to the last question number 3, about how many. Okay, so go together, read this one. How many do you have? Do you have? Do you have? Okay, I will choose okay, I will choose the word cow. Okay, cow. I will put the cow right here. I will ask you, okay? So read together. How many cows do you have? How many cows do you have? Again, together. Again, how many cow do you have? How many cows do you have? Yes, how many cows do you have? Okay, how do you answer? I have how many cows? You have 1? You have 2? You have 3? If you have 3, you complete 3. I have 3 cows. I have 3 cows. You understand? Yes. Now I will change the word cow to the word duck. Okay, again, how many duck do you have? How many duck do you have? You have 2. You can say, I have 2 ducks. You understand? Yes. So this is the last of part 2. So everyone, I want you to review keywords and practice the question and answer here at home. Okay? Practice. When you watch, you can repeat teacher, and after repeat, you can use it with your brothers and sisters or your classmates, because I will ask you directly in our online group. Okay? So that's it for part 2. See you in the last clip. Hello everyone. So this is the last part of the lesson. Okay, so you have learned a lot about farm, animals and pets. Okay, then you have learned about the words here. Yes, the word here like cow here, cow. Okay, like a buffalo, horse, pig, duck, goat. And about pets like dog, cat, rabbit and bird. Okay, you learn a lot, and you also know how to ask a question about what animal is this? Do you like rabbits? How many cows do you have? Okay, and you also have know how to answer the question like it's a dog. Yes, I do. No, I don't. I have 3 cows. Okay, so hopefully you can catch up the keywords and also the question and answer pretty clear. Okay, And however, if you still have any questions about the lessons, about your tasks, okay, about your reading and speaking, you still can ask me or ask your classmates, also ask your parents, brother or sister, okay. But if they are busy, call me or text me. I will do my best to help you, okay. So that's it for the lesson for today about conversation. So before saying goodbye, I have homework for you. So open your book, okay, your conversation book on page 33, okay. 33 here that you need to read, okay. Read the keywords here and the sentences, okay, keywords and sentences, okay, and practice at home. And one more is for page 34, you need to match the word and the picture. But over here, it's easy. You know that if only one, no S, okay, like one bird, no S, so you match here. But the word birds have S here, like BRIDS, mean that two, okay. So you match to the picture to the word, okay. If only one animal, the word no S, okay. If two, the word have S. It is easy one, okay. But instead, I want you to read, okay. Just practice your reading. And this one for page 35, you look at the picture here and count, okay, like how many dogs, how many cats, how many birds, and how many rabbits, okay. Look at the picture here, count and complete in the blanks, okay. So that's it. So okay, that's it. And one more is page 36, like how many, okay. You have to count and complete, okay. Like over here, horses, how many horses? Here there are 4 horses, okay. Count and then match the word to the picture and to the word again. Okay, so that's it for homework. I will explain you more in our group. So thank you for your watching. See you in the next unit, in the next lesson. Bye.